Alright, time to practice graphing lines. This first problem, we're going to graph a line and we're given a table. The thing that makes this problem hard is that this table is kind of sideways. It's a horizontal table. But don't be scared, we still have x's and y's. In fact, we could write each of these as an ordered pair. So this first one, -60, that's the x value. -40, that's the y value. So we can write it as an x and y pair, just like before. And when we go to graph it, this first number, that tells us how much to move on the x-axis. So -60, we're going to go back to -60. And then the second number, -40, that tells us to go down 40. So right there, that's our first point. Alright, so this next one, -40 is the x value. So we start at 0, 0. On the x-axis, we find -40. And then the second number is -30. So on the y-axis, we need to go down to -30, right there. Next point, our x value is 0. So on the x-axis, I'm not going to move left or right. I'm going to stay put right there at 0. And my y value is -10, so I'm going to go down -10. Alright, last point, 20, 0. On the x-axis, I'm going to find 20, and my height is 0, so I'm not going to go up or down, I'm going to stop there. Alright, I plotted all the points, but I'm not done yet. This graph describes a linear function. I want to graph the line, so I'm not just going to graph these points, I'm going to graph all the points in between. Notice that, since I did a good job, all the points line up. So I can draw a line straight through all the points. That's my linear function right there. Alright, this next problem is more star style. This is something you might see on an exam. You're given a table of values and you have to match up the equation. So you're going to go through the same process, you're going to check each point and graph them. Okay, good luck.